Up first, 2 persons are dead while 2 others remain in serious condition in hospital. This following a motor vehicle crash on the Whitehall Main Road in St. Elizabeth this morning. Shamela Pullen has the details.
Tragedy struck minutes after 9 Sunday morning along the Whitehall Main Road in St. Elizabeth. According to reports, 4 persons were traveling in a silver Nissan motorcar to Montego Bay, St. James, when the driver failed to negotiate a corner. The vehicle then ran off the road and crashed into a house.
This morning I was in my room getting ready for church when I hear like a vehicle coming on a terrible speed, and then I just see the vehicle just fly past the gate, and then we just hear a thundering sound. And when we come out here, we see the vehicle on the front up in the air. So we have to make case and rush and take the people them out of the vehicle.
1 person died on the spot. The other 3 were taken to hospital where another person died. The dead persons are yet to be identified as the police continue their investigations, but the 2 other passengers remain in hospital in serious condition. The owner of the house that was damaged by the crash is traumatized.
Wild crack up. See it. So you mash up your house?
Meanwhile, residents are calling on the authorities to do something about that area.
I think a sign must put up there for sure say one curve the corner, because many people mistake. I take it straight, you understand? And this a curve here, I want dangerous corner. And the first accident happened right there. Remember one Land Rover run come straight up on the veranda already. You understand? So most people when they come and they don't know the road, they take it straight. Yeah. So we need one sign we put out there so say curve. You understand?
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.
And the police have since identified one of the deceased in the crash. He's 20-year-old Rashawn Rose from Paradise in Norwood, St. James. It's reported that the other 3 people, including the deceased, are also from that address.